I want you to tell me in which of these images we've used it. Green screen. Leave your answer in the comments, and at the end of the video, we'll reveal it, because a well-done chroma key is imperceptible to the human eye. You just have to follow these simple tricks to make sure everything turns out right. Let's get started. The first important thing is to have a good support to stretch the chroma fabric and avoid wrinkles, as we're seeing in this image. The next key point is lighting. In order for us to edit and remove the chroma in post-production, it has to be well lit. How do we light it? We need to position the lights to illuminate the fabric, and most importantly, do it evenly to avoid shadows. Once we have the actor in front, it's also important not just to light them, but to make sure they don't cast shadows on the chroma. The next step is very important. Hit the record button. It's also important, once we've removed the chroma, to get a shot of the background without the chroma. Just in case. You never know. Right? Oh! This is essential in case you need it for the final edit, and if you haven't done it, that's a problem. Now we move on to After Effects, and with the video already trimmed, we select the pen tool. Now we crop the image so that only the chroma is visible. Now we look for the key light effect, and with the eyedropper tool we click on the green area. If you look closely, it has removed that color, but if you dig deeper, you'll see there are some issues. Let's fix that. Before continuing, go to View and switch to Combined Matte. You'll see the image in black and white, probably with some midtones. Here, what you need to do is make sure the two colors, white and black, are completely distinct. To do this, we have to click on the color box and move it a bit to adjust the black. Then open the Screen Matte tab and adjust Clip White and Clip Black until each color is unified. Once that's done, switch the view to Final Result and you'll already see something interesting. Change the Replace method to Hard Color to intensify the colors. And then you need to fix the edges using Shrink, Grow, and Softness. My English is very good, very good. I can't give you specific parameters here. Every video is different. Keep adjusting these colors to achieve the optimal video. With this, you already have the perfect result. Now you just need to do some color correction so the character blends with the background. These are the images we've used. I'm sure you couldn't tell which ones were shot with chroma key. If you want alternatives to chroma key, you have to try rotoscoping, which I show you how to do in this video right here. You don't even need a green screen.
I think the camera is very close.